Welcome back to our channel. It's Adam over here at McConnell Chevrolet Chrysler Dodge Jeep Ram. Today I wanted to do a quick how-to video on the Chevy Mylink, how to work the navigation. It seems that most of our customers want to go over the navigation, or it takes the most time to learn the navigation for certain people. So I wanted to make a quick video that you can refer back to. Okay, so here is the new Chevy Mylink Radio. Of course, you have where you're at right now. You can hit the hourglass. We can punch in an address. 1395 Hillsburg Avenue, because I've already put it in. Shoots up, so we can hit that. And it will take us directly to our address. The other thing we can do too.
Please say address, place of interest, intersection, or contact.
Address.
Please say the address.
1395 Healdsburg Avenue.
Okay. Searching for 1395 Healdsburg Avenue, Healdsburg, CA. I found it. The route is on the display. Want to begin route guidance?
Yes.
Okay. Please proceed to the highlighted road. Route guidance is now finished.
So we did that. The other thing we can do, when we put in the address, we can set it as a favorite, so that if you go there quite often, you know, you can just save it as one of your favorite addresses. Being that this is the dealership, I figure a lot of people are going to come here to do service and whatnot, so I added it as a favorite. Come back here.
Please say address, place of interest, intersection, or contact.
POI.
If you are looking for a place near your current location, please tell me the name. Otherwise, say change location.
McConnell Chevrolet.
Okay. Searching for McConnell Chevrolet nearby. I found it. The route is on the display. Want to begin route guidance?
So you can do that. You can also give the dealership a call. Set that as a...
Okay.
So I stopped the voice recognition, but I wanted to set that up as a favorite as well. So we can go back there, delete the 1395, because now we have the phone number and all the different routes that you can go. We're here, so it's only showing one route, but if you want to take the back roads instead of the freeway, it's going to show you all the different routes you can take here. Now, the other thing you can do too, let's go back to the home. Let's turn on the radio. Sorry.
Yes.
Navigation.
Before we go on, please say address, place of interest, intersection, or contact.
Address.
Please say the address.
1395 Healdsburg Avenue.
Okay. Searching for 1395 Healdsburg Avenue, Healdsburg, CA. I found it. The route is on the display. Want to begin route guidance?
Yes.
Okay. Please proceed to the highlighted road.
And now your music comes back up that you were listening to before. So those are the few ways that you can set up navigation. Let's go back, actually. Let's cancel.
Route guidance is now finished.
Let's see if it shows. Favorites. We're gonna go ahead and delete it at $13.95. So now we just have the McConnell Chevrolet. So that's the other thing we can do too, is go right into favorites, and boom. Alright. So 3D heading up, 2D north, like the 3D there. So there are your different things on how to control the navigation, with also your voice commands for the navigation. Just hit this, say navigation, and then as you saw, we just entered the address. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to our page, and stay tuned for more how-to videos on Chevrolet products. Please comment if you'd like us to make a video about anything on your new Chevrolet product. Thank you.